Here's how to restore deleted contacts on Android. Now, if you accidentally deleted a contact, I'll show you two different options to get it back. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, on here, the first option is just to swipe up and let's go to the Contacts app. Now, let's say I have a contact and I tap and hold on it and hit delete and move to trash. Now, there's an easy way to get it back directly in the Contacts app. All you need to do is tap on the three dots at the top right, or it might be three lines as well at the top left. From here, you can see the trash option. So just tap on that, and you'll be able to see any basically deleted contacts. You can see they'll be permanently deleted after 30 days, but to get them back, all you need to do is tap and hold and hit restore. However, if you don't see it in here, the second place to check is your Google account itself. So to do that, let's hop out of here and swipe up and we'll get into your settings. So tap on the settings or gear icon, scroll down, and then we're going to be looking for Google. Tap on Google, and from here, tap on your email or name at the very top and tap on Google account. Once you're in your Google account, all you need to do is swipe over until you get to People and Sharing and tap on that. And from here towards the bottom, you can see Contacts. So tap on Contacts, and this will show you all of your contacts associated with Google. But let's say if I tap on the three lines at the top left, all I need to do is go to Trash. And then you'll be able to see here is that hidden basically contact that is still on there. Basically, this is another place that you can check, and you can just tap on the recover button and it will bring it back from being deleted. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.